Are still spending hours watching videos or reading articles to find out how to make money online? You know what? I struggled to find a job. After spending a year looking for work, I decided to start my own side hustle and make money online. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to start making more money online. But before we start, make sure to watch this video all the way through. I know you're trying to make money online and I want to help you out. And remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll always update on new money-making hacks for free. Comment below where you are from and I will create a specific video for your region. Let's jump to the video now. There are many ways to make money online, but some of the easiest ways to do it are through surveys. Some people would rather not take surveys. But surveys are a great way to make money. If you enjoy taking surveys, then it's a great way to earn extra cash. Surveys are one of the best ways to make money online. They allow you to earn cash and points for your opinion on a specific topic or product. And you can do it in your spare time and you will have the freedom to do them as often as you like. The key to making money with surveys is by being consistent with them. There are many different types of survey sites out there. Each site has different advantages and disadvantages, so it's important that you do some research before signing up with any site in particular. Today, I will show you one of the surveys app. It is called surveytime.io. Surveytime.io is a survey platform that allows users to make money by completing surveys. Surveytime.io has been around since 2011, and it has seen an increase in popularity in recent years because of its simplicity and transparency. It is a simple platform for users to create surveys and earn money from their responses. To get started in Surveytime.io, the first thing you need to do is sign up. Simply you can use your email, Facebook, or Google account. Then tell some information about yourself by taking a short introductory survey. Surveytime offers you the most relevant surveys. They match surveys to your interests, based on your answers in the introductory survey. This increases your chances of completing more surveys and earning more cash. This will allow you to access all the different types of surveys available on their site. Surveytime keeps you updated whenever we have a new relevant survey for you, so you'll never miss out on a chance to complete surveys for money. You can do it from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you are. On Surveytime, all surveys are equal. Whether the survey took you 5 minutes or 15 minutes, whether you're in the US or any other country around the globe, you will get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey you complete. Surveytime has no withdrawal threshold. Once you complete a survey, you get paid for it almost instantly. There's no points system. Complete a survey, choose a reward, and cash out by choosing your preferred methods such as PayPal, Amazon, or Target. Also, with Surveytime, you can earn gift cards for your favorite brands. Surveys are always popular because they are usually very simple to start making money. If you want to earn some extra cash, so you can take part in these surveys and earn money for your time. But this will not make you much money, and you can't depend on it as your core income source. But don't worry. I will share with you tips and strategies for making big money. Imagine waking up and seeing $1,000 or more in your PayPal account each day. Ready to take the next step with us? Below are some links that cover money-making hacks. Check them now. If you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.